So in this video, I'm going to walk and talk you through everything about the new Kajabi Communities and how to actually foster engagement to get as maximum success for your online students as possible. So hey there, Tim Peakman here. I am a Kajabi hero and I am a Kajabi fan. And the definition of a hero is anyone that's made at least $1,000 on the Kajabi platform. And this is why I've put together this program, Zero to Kajabi Hero, to walk and talk you through everything you need to know to actually get from where you are today to Kajabi Hero and beyond. Before we jump into any of the training, I want to first of all make you an offer. I want to offer you my extended 30-day trial of Kajabi. That's over double the 14-day trial that's available to the public. You can get access, simply head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and create your account today. And as soon as you've done this, I will automate you a free course, Kajabi Unboxed. These are the things that you need to do immediately once you unbox your Kajabi account. And if you stick around at the end of that 30 days to become a paying member of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, I will grant you another course. It's my sales page templates. You can just download these in a theme and then upload them into your Kajabi account. Yes, this is an affiliate link, and all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. So that being said, let's dive straight on over into the training. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so now we're back inside my partner's dashboard and I'm going to walk and talk you through how to actually set up your own community with inside your account. So under the products tab, click all products and then just click new product. And then we're just going to click on community, get started. Now the community, you need to understand each website will be allocated one community. And within that community, you can have a number of access groups depending on how many products you have in your account. So an access group is just the product within a community. So this is going to be Tim's group, Tim's access group. And just be careful if you've only got like 3 products in your account and you set up a community and have 2 access groups, you've only got like 1 more product to have as either a course or a coaching package. So just be aware of how many you're going to be building out. So I'm just going to have this for free for now and then just click save and finish. Then this is going to actually take me to Tim's community, and here Tim's group is the access group. So under products and under community, this is the access group here. You can edit this access group name if you need to, and then at any time you can actually click the offers. You can add offers to this. We'll be going through that later. And then the settings, I would probably add a thumbnail to this, go and design a thumbnail for this. But then anytime you want to, you go click over into the community and then you can edit the community from here. So first and foremost, I would probably build out an image for this picture here. So you just click on that picture and let's go under here. I'm just going to give it a background just so you see you can actually put something in there. There's an image in there for you. And then under here, you can get the invite links. That's actually linking anyone to actually join your community. You can find members under here. You can create leaderboards, but then you've got circles under here. So circles are like little chat groups that you can actually set up to actually speak to different groups of people, or you can actually hold different conversations for the same group of people. So under the titles, we've got feeds. So this is basically anyone that actually posts something, a little bit like a Facebook group, starting a thread. Then you have challenges. If you want to, this is setup wizards just going to come in because this is the first time I've done this. Any support, email them. Challenges, if you wanted to try and elicit engagement, this is the whole idea of creating a community to try and foster that environment of engagement. Try and get them to take a challenge. Like the first one could be say hello to the community, or this one could be move your body. Let's try and get everyone active, couch to 5K, something like this. Meetups could actually be a live room, a virtual meetup, or it could be a in-person meetup. It's entirely up to you how you run your community and how you foster engagement. If you click on the little cog icon here, let's run down a few of these. So you can, these are the stats. So people joining your community, you can actually measure their stats. The details, this is, you can give your community a different URL. You can add some social links. You can play with your profile, add your profile here, including your settings, and then you can enable any sort of email notifications. Anyone joining or commenting, it's what you get or what your clients get. Customization, again, these are toggles that you can toggle on and off, allow direct messages to you. Live room is always open to join or not. And then you can customize reactions here. This is quite a new feature. And then choose your emojis to say what they all are, and then click save. Challenges, you can set these challenges up here. So I've done this one, move your body as a challenge. You can just click new challenge and it takes you through a wizard of actually starting a challenge. Starting from today, members will have 14 days to complete this challenge, and the challenge will be under the series new challenges. Or you can have a recurring challenge. You can actually build these out and start testing these in your own community. So open your community if you have one access group or one product available, and start playing around with these and actually setting them up before you have any members in there. So leave anyway. I'm going to go to meetings. You can create a new meetup, which is pretty much like a virtual event or an in-person event. You can put the location to be a URL of a live video room, or you can actually like have a physical address. So we'll meet at this coffee shop. Starts, ends, description, what access groups, who is actually going to hear about this, because you might have multiple access groups in the same community, and then what circles as well. Circles you can manage here, so you can add circles, you can edit your own circles, but this is basically like the chat group. So if I type in new circle here, test circle, you can either have it as a chat, so it's a chat feed, or a normal post feed, and just build out however many circles you see fit. But I would probably say have like a welcome circle, have a share your wins circle. It's entirely up to you. And then announcements. If you wanted to contact all of your members, and this is the same with any product, a course product, use the announcement feature in the product that they own. Don't go and use an email broadcast, because they might have opted out of being broadcasted to. That's marketing emails. So the new announcement in terms of the community and in terms of your courses, use the announcement function. So just click announcement, and everyone who owns this product will get announced. And then navigation menu. This is probably one of the most important things here. Within your Kajabi account, you can actually build out a landing page. We've done this before. Building out a landing page, it could be your welcome page, welcoming people. You can put a welcome video in there. You can put the rules and regulations of your actual community. And then you can edit this here. So once you have that page built out in your Kajabi, you can just click whatever, welcome, and then drag that URL in here and then make it the primary page. So when people land inside your community, if I click back to community now, you could have a welcome tab here. So anyone that opens this community up, they can have a welcome, could be a welcome video from you, and then steps. I need you to do A, B, and C. So I'm going to jump into a live community that's already happened. It's from the Kajabi Hero live event, and I'll give you an example of this. So this is a fully built out community, and this was the Kajabi Hero live in Austin, Texas, and this was the welcome video that everyone saw when they actually opened this page. Underneath the welcome video, it says get the app. So you get the app on your mobile phone. Then it's the meeting agenda. So what we're going to do and when, where is everything located? And then day 1, day 2, day 3, and then event maps. Where is everything going to be held? So this is a really good idea of putting something in on the first page to welcome people and really set the tone of your own community. Down here we had circles, chatting about event questions, any heroes chat, and then if anyone wanted to meet up IRL in real life, these were some of the meetups. And it was an amazing event. The feeds, these would just be pulled through, everyone chatting through, kind of like a Facebook group. The challenges, these were Kajabi trying to engage their community to try and introduce yourself, ask questions with the fireside chat. So it's just posting, sharing your goals, share your tips. So it's a really good community for over this event for people to actually use on their desktop, on the mobile, and just elicit engagement. The meetups, these were the physical meetups. These could have been virtual, but more likely your community might be a virtual meetups, but they were posted out here, and then you could RSVP to all of these meetups. And then this is the event info. They were having wait lists for certain elements that were coming out, certain products that were being promoted by Kajabi. So you can have as many landing pages as you want in your own community, but just try and understand how to get the most engagement out of your students, and just try and promote what you know and love, and actually use it as a community and as one of your products. So fully understand that one website has one community, and choose your access groups. If you want to go back to Kajabi, you just go back out and you can add another access group. So new access group. If I wanted a new access group, I could add it within this community, and then it would be Tim's community with 2 access groups. And then you could engage those 2 different access groups at different level. One might be a free and one might be a paid. But hopefully that's inspired you to get thinking about how you can use the new Kajabi community feature to really engage your customers. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you got something out of it and you managed to implement something. If you haven't done already, claim your free account. That link once more, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and look for that free mini course I'll be granting you. Check your spam if it's not there. And if you are progressing past that 30 days and you become a paying member like me, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you that second mini course, which involves the sales page templates, so you can just download them and upload them into your Kajabi account. And I look forward to seeing you on another video soon.